Hello, welcome to eLove Security. Today I'm introducing our popular slim size smart door lock. With slim size faceplate, it works with Europe standard mounted lock, function and security. It supports multiple unlock ways. Fingerprint to unlock, password to unlock, RFID card to unlock, helical key to unlock, emergency charge here. 2-yard or TT lock mobile application are optional. Electronic deadbolt for higher security. The most important feature for this product is waterproof. It can be used for outdoor use. Do you like it? Welcome to contact us for more information.